Arithmetic progressions, class 10 Cbse Mathematics, exercise 5.3, question number 18. A spiral is made up of successive semicircles with centers alternatively at A and B, starting with the center A of radii 0.5, 1 centimeter, 1.5 centimeters are shown in the figure. What is the total length of such a spiral made up of 13 consecutive semicircles? In the figure it is given that the first semicircle L1, is with A as center, then second semicircle L2 is with B as center, then L3 with A as center, L3 is with A as center, and L4 B as center. It keeps on increasing. Now circumference of the semicircle L1 is equal to pi r, where r is equal to 0.5 centimeters. L2, okay, let me take it as pi r1, then pi r2, where r2 is equal to 1 centimeters. L3 pi into r3, where r3 is equal to 1.5 centimeters. Therefore, sum of the circumferences of 13 semicircles is equal to sum of the circumferences of 13 semicircles is equal to pi into r1 plus pi into r2 plus pi into r3, etc. 13 times pi 13 pi into r13. That is equal to pi 0.5 plus pi into 1 plus pi into 1.5, etc. up to 13 terms. Pi r1 plus pi r2 plus pi r3 up to pi r13. So we can take pi common factor. 0.5 plus 1 plus 1.5, 13 terms. Total length of the wire used is equal to pi into 0.5 plus 1 plus 1.5 plus 13 terms. Now the terms inside the bracket consists of an AP with the first term is equal to 0.5 and common difference is equal to again 0.5 and number of terms 13. So we can apply the formula Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d to find the sum of the terms inside the bracket. Pi is 22 by 7, 2 into 0.5 plus 13 minus 1 into d. D is 0.5. N by 2. 22 by 7 into n by 2, n is 13, so 13 by 2. 22 by 7 into 13 by 2 multiplied by 2 into 0.5, that is 1, plus 12 into 0.5, that is 6. 2 and 22 you can cross cancel, you will get 11. 11 into 13 upon 7 multiplied by 7. 7 and 7 got cancelled. 11 into 13, that is 143 centimeters. Therefore, total length of the spiral is equal to total length of the spiral is equal to 143 centimeters. Question number 19. 200 logs are stacked in the following manner: 20 logs in the bottom row, 19 in the next row, 18 in the row next to it, and so on. See the figure. In how many rows the 200 logs placed, and how many logs are there in the top row? Bottom row there are 20, then over the top of that 19, then 18, and so on. Total number of logs 200. If you write it as an AP, 20, 19, 18, etc. The number of logs is equal to 20, 19, 18, etc. on each row, where S is equal to Sn 200, A is equal to 20, D is equal to 19 minus 20, that is equal to minus 1. Sn is equal to, the lowest one it is 20, then 19, 18, etc. Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. 200 is equal to n by 2, 2 into 20 plus n minus 1 multiplied by minus 1. 200 equals to n by 2, 40 plus 1 minus n. 200 is equal to n by 2, 41 minus n. 200 is equal to n by 2, 41 minus n. While cross multiplying, it will become 400 is equal to 41n minus n square. Now transferring all the terms to the left hand side, we get n squared minus 41n plus 400 is equal to 0. Now by splitting the middle term, we will get n squared minus 25n minus 16n plus 400 is equal to 0. We can also make use of the formula x is equal to minus b plus minus root d upon 2a to find the or solve this quadratic equation. So n can be taken common, n minus 25 minus 16 into n minus 25 equals to 0. N minus 16 into n minus 25 is equal to 0. N is equal to 16, n is equal to 25. Now when n is equal to 16 or when n is equal to 16, what happens? A16 number of logs on the 16th row. A16 is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, that is 20 plus 16 minus 1, that is 15, 15 into d minus 1, 20 minus 15, that is equal to 5. Number of logs on the top row 16, A16 is equal to 5. Now when n is equal to 25, n is equal to 25, two answers cannot be possible. We are going to check the validity of the next answer. When n is equal to 25, A25 is equal to a plus 25 minus 1. 25 minus 1, that makes 24 into minus 1. 20 minus 24, that is equal to minus 4. Number of logs cannot be negative, so this is not possible. So this answer n is equal to 25 is rejected. N is equal to 25 is rejected. Therefore, number of logs on the top row, that is equal to 5. Number of logs on the top row is equal to 5, that is A16. A25 is not possible, only a 16 is possible.